Is it the neutral sample? Is what it...
Britain's Prince William paid a visit to London's Francis Crick Institute on Wednesday, marking the centre's upcoming 10th anniversary. Arriving at the institute, Prince William was welcomed by staff before meeting scientists, doctors, and students working at one of the UK's leading biomedical research facilities.
Hello, very nice to see you. And you. So welcome to electron microscopy science technology platform. So I'm deputy lead here, and what we do.
Dressed in a white lab coat, the Prince of Wales toured laboratories and took part in demonstrations, including using a microscope to observe ongoing research projects.
Access to is that they can be used in low-cost settings or in remote facilities where people cannot get to section it. It can be anything. It can be brain tissue. Upstairs you already heard about the connectomics project. So all of that can be cut and then basically put all of these together to create a volume. Most important is that you pick them up. It's supposed to basically keep cutting, but if you stop it, it takes a while to again start, like how you're going to end up having like 330 sections that you need to pick them up. This is your eyelash.
Okay.
What I want you to do is moving the sections.
There's a hair on the end, is that right?
There is a hair.
It's meant to.
Eyelash. It's meant to be.
Oh, it's
hair.
meant to be there.
Yeah.
When you said eyelash, it literally is there.
It really is an eyelash.
Okay.
Yes.
He also spent time speaking with students, listening as they explained experiments and shared their work at the institute.
And I can introduce you to, we've got, yeah, basically that.
Is it the neutral sample? Is what it called?
Originally was produced from pigs and how we moved the back.
I'm sorry. That's glasses.
Glasses on.
Thank you.
So take it. That's the amount you take it off when you stop.
That's it. It's like it's in there?
Yeah.
Gotcha. Press the...
And use that white to get some.
During the visit, William met members of the public inside the building, with crowds gathering to catch a glimpse of the prince as he moved through the halls. According to Kensington Palace, Prince William has a long-standing interest in scientific and medical research, with the visit highlighting the importance of innovation and education in advancing healthcare. The Francis Crick Institute is based in London and plays a key role in medical research aimed at improving human health.